You will never be the toughest. Someone is always stronger, faster, meaner, more violent. Chasing that title is a trap because toughness always expires. But you can become unbreakable. Unbreakable isn't about winning fights. It's about standing when life hits you harder than any opponent. It's calm under pressure, discipline when no one is watching, restraint when you could destroy, and courage when you must act. The toughest man needs chaos to prove himself. The unbreakable man creates order, first within, then around him. Bodies age, power fades, fear visits everyone. But character, presence, and self-mastery outlives all of it. You don't need to be the toughest. Be the one that can't be controlled, provoked, or broken. That is real strength. And everyone, warrior, elder, and the wise, will recognize it.